When two variables are related, we usually denote one as the input variable, the other as the output variable. One situation that where two variables are related could be the amount of calories you burn. Could vary and be different depending on how many minutes you work out. So that could be another variable, and those two are related. So we'd say the number of calories burned is related to the number of minutes you work out, and in this situation there'd be a relationship between an input and an output variable. So let me give you this definition here. The input variable, or what we call the independent variable, in a contextual situation is the variable that is considered first when performing calculations, and I'll give you an example of that here in a minute. The output variable, or the dependent variable, it's the variable whose values are associated with or depend upon the values of the input variable. So the outputs are dependent upon the input values. So it's important that you see that. Let me give you a real quick example so I can put this in your mind here. Let's look at this example down here. Have you ever wondered how much you should leave as a tip when dining out? Let's say when you're dining out alone, I guess. A safe but generous tip amount is 20% of a total cost of the meal. So there are actually two variables here defined that can change depending on what you order. So my question number one here is, what two variables are involved in this scenario? Well, one variable is, and they're always going to be defined somewhere in the problem, just so you know that, is this tip amount. Could change. It's not always the same. I guess if you order the same thing every time you go out, it won't, but let's assume you don't. So the tip amount is a variable. What's another one in this example here? Well, hopefully you may be looking at this and say, is it the 20%? That 20% right now is not changing for us. We'll say that's a safe tip amount, and 20% will always be 20%. But what else could change is the total cost of the meal, again, depending on what you order. So that's another variable, is the total cost. So, question. We got two variables here, and now and they're both related to each other. The question is, which do we consider the input and which do we consider the output? The input is the variable that we consider first when performing calculations. When we're performing calculations, when you go out to eat, what do you consider first? Do you consider the tip amount, or do you consider the total cost of the meal? Hopefully you're thinking the total cost of the meal, and the tip amount depends on this. So here is what we call our input variable in this scenario. And the output variable is the one that depends upon the input. So this would be our output variable. All right, hopefully that helps you.